In today's video, we will demonstrate how you can leverage AI tools to generate a month's worth of content for your brand in just one day. By utilizing ChatGPT and InVideo, you can create consistent and engaging posts without requiring script writing or video editing skills. Before we dive in, welcome to AI Ninja. Our channel aims to help you discover simple ways to earn money using the latest AI technology. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and enabling notifications to stay updated on new and popular money-making techniques. Let's start with the first step, finalizing 30 ideas for your brand's posts. Our focus will be Instagram since the videos created can be repurposed for other platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts. To streamline this process, categorize your content into different buckets or themes that align with your goals. These goals include introducing your audience to the product, providing information about your product or service, encouraging interaction with your brand, inspiring action, entertaining your audience, and influencing them positively. To determine your buckets, you can examine successful brands within your niche and observe their social media strategies. For our demonstration, we will be creating videos for a skincare brand. Taking a cue from Rare Beauty's social media presence, visit their page and observe their content categories. They have 5 primary buckets: instructional videos, motivational or inspirational posts and videos, customer reviews, behind-the-scenes footage, and blogs. These categories can also work effectively for our brand. We will proceed with the 5 designated buckets or categories, each containing 6 ideas, resulting in a total of 30 posts. To generate ideas for each bucket, we will utilize ChatGPT. Begin by logging into your ChatGPT account, and then use the prompt box at the bottom of the screen to prompt the AI for real ideas. It's crucial to note that the quality of the ideas will be influenced by how you structure your prompt. Let's begin with the first bucket, which focuses on product showcases. Here's an example of how we can structure the prompt for this category. When prompting for ideas, ensure you provide essential details such as the platform and the type of video you intend to create, the specific products you offer, for example, teen skincare or sugar-free donuts, and any specific preferences you want the AI to consider, such as videos that rely on text and music. Once you enter the prompt, you will receive real-time ideas which can turn out to be quite impressive. Next, let's look at the prompt for another bucket, which involves creating motivational or inspirational reels for a skincare brand. After receiving the ideas, it's recommended to organize them using a tool like Google Docs. This will facilitate easy access to each idea and provide a convenient space to write the accompanying scripts. By following this process, you can efficiently generate ideas for each bucket and streamline the content creation process. Now that you have organized your concepts, the next stage involves crafting concise scripts for each idea. These scripts will serve as a foundation for easily transforming them into videos that align with your brand. The good news is that ChatGPT can assist you with this task effortlessly. There's no need to initiate a new prompt. ChargeUp retains the recent prompts you have provided, and you can access them on the left side of the screen. Simply return to and click on your skincare product, Real Ideas prompt, and this action will display your list of ideas. To obtain a script for each idea, use the prompt box at the bottom to request assistance from the AI. Since we have already addressed the fundamental details in the initial prompt, you should now include additional information while making this request. Specify the platform on which the video will be shared, the desired type of video, for example, informative, promotional, the intended length, for example, 30 seconds, 1 minute, the desired tonality, for example, funny, witty, cheeky, and any other pertinent details to facilitate the ease of video creation. By providing such a detailed prompt, you increase the likelihood of receiving comprehensive scripts right from the start. In just a few minutes, ChatGPT will generate 6 scripts for you. Once you have the initial drafts, you can review them and request any necessary changes by providing additional prompts. If you feel that the split screen effect mentioned in the scripts might be challenging to create, I'll prompt the AI to simplify the scripts accordingly. Within 5 minutes, you'll have 6 video scripts ready for use. Now repeat this process for the remaining videos. Copy and paste the text for each script into the corresponding document, and you'll be all set to commence video creation. The next step is to utilize InVideo.com to transform your scripts into videos. Begin by logging into your InVideo.com account and accessing the Templates tab in the dashboard. Here you will find a vast library comprising 1,000 templates to choose from. To start, let's select a template for the first video, which is the morning routine. You can use the search bar to filter the results and locate templates specifically designed for skincare videos. In addition to using the search bar, you can utilize the left menu on InVideo.com to further refine your template search. This menu allows you to filter the results based on aspect ratio, type of video, and industry. Since we want a vertical aspect ratio, let's select that option. To preview a template, simply hover your cursor over it. Remember, you don't need to find an exact match for your brand colors or fonts at this stage, as you can make those adjustments later in the editing process. Once you find the desired template, click on it and proceed to the template page. From there, click on Use Template. This action will take you to the InVideo editor, which is super intuitive to use. The central canvas area displays a preview of your video, while below it you'll find the timeline, where all your scenes are arranged and synchronized to a royalty-free music track. On the left side, you have the asset library, where you'll find everything necessary to create your videos, including stock media, text, styles, music, the option to upload your own files, and more. Now let's move on to the most crucial step, customizing the template to make it uniquely yours. We'll begin by replacing all the placeholder text in the template with our own content. This step sets up the context for the video and facilitates the navigation of the scenes. Since we already have our script from ChatGPT, all we need to do is copy each line of text and paste it into the corresponding scene on the canvas. For example, to replace the first line of text, copy it from the script and double-click on the text in the canvas. This will open the edit window on the left, where you can paste your own text. You can then adjust the size and position of the text on the screen, and utilize the formatting options at the top of the canvas to modify the font size, color, or even add text animations if desired. Now proceed to replace the text in all the scenes where it needs to be placed. Ensure that you include your call to action, CTA, as well. After adding the text, the next step is to replace the placeholder media with your own content. If you have your own pictures and videos, you can upload them using the Uploads option. This is especially recommended when showcasing your own product, as it allows your branding to be clearly visible. For other lifestyle and application shots, you can utilize the InVideo stock library to replace the existing media. Here's how you can do it. Go to the Video tab in the left menu and use the search bar to find the specific type of video you need. For example, if the first scene requires a video of a woman waking up, search for that. Once you find a suitable clip, simply drag and drop it onto the canvas and click on Replace in the pop-up window that appears. This will open another pop-up window where you can trim the duration of the clip to match the scene. To do this, select the option in the bottom left corner that says Trim Video to Fit Scene. Then drag the selection around the desired portion of the video. Once you're satisfied, click on Add, and the template default will be replaced with your chosen clip. Repeat these steps for all the scenes in your template, depending on the number of clips you want to include. If you find that you don't have enough scenes for the desired number of clips, you can click on the three dots on a scene and select Duplicate to create a copy. Conversely, if you have more scenes than you need, select the scene on the timeline and press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove it. The next step in customizing your video is replacing the placeholder logo with your brand's logo. To do this, simply click on the logo in any scene, which will open the logo menu on the left. Upload your own logo image, and once it's uploaded, click on it to replace the placeholder logo throughout the template. Now let's move on to the final step, which involves changing the music and making any final adjustments. The template comes with a default music track, but if you want to change it, simply select and delete it. Then access the music library on the left side to search for another audio track that suits the mood and genre you're aiming for. Once you find a track you like, click on it, and it will be added to your video. These royalty-free music tracks are ideal for platforms like YouTube, as they prevent any potential copyright issues. You may need to adjust the duration of the scenes slightly to sync them with the beats of this specific audio. With these steps completed, your video is now ready. When uploading it to Instagram, ensure that you use the same audio track from the Instagram audio library. Once everything is ready, click on the play button beneath the canvas to preview your video. If you're satisfied, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on Export. It is recommended to export in the highest available quality for the best results, such as 1 ATP. There you have it, a video ready in less than 10 minutes. Now you can follow steps 3, 4, and 5 to create your remaining videos. That's how you can efficiently create social media videos in a matter of hours instead of days with the help of ChatGPT and InVideo. Don't forget to check out the recommended videos on how to use AI for promo videos and increase your monthly earnings by $4,000. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more soon.